Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the Soundlink Micro going up against the JBL Flip 3. This is a 360 speaker. It fires upwards to give you a 360 sound experience. This one is directional. You have to face it to you to give you what it was intended to give you. But for the sake of making things even, I will be placing this one facing upward too, just so it also kind of gives us a 360 sound experience. That way everyone is facing the same direction and it should be a more comparable sound coming out of both of them. With that said, I will be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. Let's hear the speakers speak.
I'm with the stars and I'm feeling so heard. An excellent definition of the true word. And every time that we end it, there's a new version of an immaculate tag that they can use further. And I don't sleep, I stay awake, creep through the dark streets till the morning. All I want's what I see, coming to me for the work that I put in every day, cause I'm hustling. That's right, I'm sanctified. Living large cause I paid the price. And my mama gave the same advice. She said, boy, being smart doesn't mean you're right. You wanna roll with a winner? Let's ride. Competition get diminished every time. Playing hard till it's finished, and then some. But we ain't scared, we prepared for anything. You heard right that the earth is mine. Burn bright, let the ember shine. You know I'm gonna get it every time. Champion, whip your crown. I can see my name in lights. Spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay, so although not by much, the Flip 3 is a little bit louder than the Soundlink Micro, and also at maximum volume it sounds a little bit more powerful than the Soundlink Micro again. Both speakers are well balanced with a little bit of bass spilling into the mids, and I also noticed that the highs on the Flip 3 are a little bit better than what you're getting on the Soundlink Micro. And as far as bass performance, there's not really a huge difference between these two. They equally do about the same job. The only difference here is the size. The Micro is able to produce what the JBL Flip 3 is able to produce, and that's considering the size difference of the two. So I'm really impressed by what Bose was able to do with this small speaker. If you're looking to get one of these two, there's only three things that are going to be determining which one to get, and that is the waterproofness. This is not waterproof, it's only splash proof, but this is waterproof. So there you go. Number two, the size. This is so small you can fit in your pocket, whereas this is not a small speaker, but you cannot fit it where this guy can fit. And number three is the price. This guy is a lot more expensive than these guys. So obviously the performance of the Soundlink Micro is mind-blowing considering its size. So if you have the money, it will be the best choice to go with because it has all the other features and it has a good sound for its size. But if you don't have the money and you don't mind about waterproofness, this is not a bad choice either, because you're basically getting the same sound that you'd get with this, just with a little bit of a bigger form factor of a speaker. And that's been it from me today. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber and you like the video, please leave it a like so other people can also find the video and hopefully join us here. I will be doing other videos about the Soundlink Micro, so if you have a video, a speaker that you'd like to see battle against the Soundlink Micro, drop it down in the comment section below, as well as what you think about these two speakers. I love you all, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.